have a lot of tools which are used in BIM processes, but the process is not defined by the tools. Tools are basically the added advantage or the drivers of that process, but ultimately the behavior of the process is defined by the mindset of the people and how you want to actually use it or implement it. So in a CAD mindset, geometry is the main output, you know, and drawings are the main proof of work. So if somebody is doing a particular project in AutoCAD only, their requirement is to create drawings as soon as fast as possible. So they do not care about anything else apart from just showcasing a good geometry in AutoCAD, you know. So information is mostly added later on, or they might ignore it also. So that is how the CAD mindset works. And they mainly focus on the naming and layering logic basically inside the CAD. So that is one of the main focuses. Then the quality review is also mostly visual in the CAD basically because you don't have any other options. So normally how we have seen, and we have also done the same, that when you want to compare two CADs, you just overlay both of them and just visually check what's the difference. So the mindset can continue even inside the BIM environment also once you adopt the BIM, that particular CAD mindset. But in contrast, if we see the BIM mindset, that assumes the object can carry both geometry and the information. So that information must support exchange and delivery both. That parameters and values are planned early stage, first of all, in a BIM mindset, and the quality review should be both visual and machine checkable. So we do not only depend on the visual checks. We use different tools and softwares where we can, automate the quality checking. Uh, Navis works, clash detection is one part of that particular checking. And similarly, we have a lot of other tools available as well. Now, IDS is also there. So that is one of the greatest things. And, so the shift is not only software migration, it is basically the delivery philosophy shift. So it doesn't matter whether you work in CAD or even in BIM, but if you have the right kind of mindset of putting the information first, or the deliverable is a digital information asset, then the overall use case of BIM becomes useful. So then you actually do it. So if a lot of what I've seen personally in my experience is that what a lot of people think is that we will create a 2D CAD first, and this happens a lot in Indian projects, that majority of the people think that we'll create a 2D CAD and from that we'll create a 3D model. So this is the whole BIM, but it is actually completely opposite. So to actually work in BIM, uh, the people should start the initial thinking, the thought process of, let's say, when an architect is conceptualizing a particular project or a design, they should conceptualize it, or they should even start doing it in BIM only. It can be different softwares, that is for sure. We are not saying that Revit is the only software. There are multiple softwares available, but the mindset of thinking should be from 3D itself. 3D. So then only you actually have the geometry from the day one, and then you think about how you will put in the information as per the requirement in each and every layer.